Hi everyone, so welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add the new and trending exposure zoom effect to your clips in CapCut. Here I've already prepared a clip that I want to apply the effect. So first what you need to do is just go to effect, click on the video effects and here you can easily find on the trending tab exposure zoom. But if you cannot find it, and then on the trending, just click on opening and closing, and here is the exposure zoom effect. So click on that effect, just like that, it will be applied to your clips. And if you want to adjust it, just click on the effect. You can adjust the blur, the soft light, the glow, and also the speed. I'm going to just make it faster, and after that just click on the check icon, and here will be the result. I'm going to make it short. Here is the result. Okay, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.